Arduino is an open-source hardware board which is programmed by its software. The Arduino Uno is an open-source microcontroller board based on the microchip ATmEGA328P microcontroller. The board is equipped with sets of digital and analog input/output pins that may be interfaced to various expansion boards and other circuits.
Pin number 2 to 14 are digital pins. Pin A0 to A5 are analog pins. G and D stands for ground, which is the negative pin and supplies a voltage of 5V. Digital pins on the Arduino are pins designed to be configured as inputs or outputs according to the needs of the user. Digital pins are either on or off. When on, they are in a high voltage state of 5V, and when off, they are in a low voltage state of 0V. On the Arduino, when the digital pins are configured as output, they are set to 0 or 5 volts. The pins A0 to A5 are used as an analog input, and it is in the range of 0-5V digital pins. The pins 0 to 13 are used as a digital input or output for the Arduino board. Serial pins. These pins are also known as a UART pin. It is used for communication between the Arduino board and a computer or other devices. Arduino can be used to make all kind of science projects, especially when you want to happen something when you want. Using a set of code, it can be used to make drones, Bluetooth cars, Wi-Fi, automated house, and many more. In order to use Arduino, you need to download arduino.ide software on your laptop/PC, and if you want to do so from Android phone, you can use Arduino application. Downloading Arduino.ide software.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.